little beverage here, leaky evaporator coil. The old gas and go special. Ooh, we're almost there. Almost there, baby. Everyone's gonna get a new coil. I mean, we're just gonna replace this fridge. We're not putting a coil in it. It's hitting the road. The old R290 action. Still can't get away from the plug drain. Plug-o, bug-o. Special. Plug-o, bug-o special. Gotta swim in it. Code 3 and the pump's not running. It wants to. See if it's just locked up. I'll have to see what's in there. Maybe it's all tight, we could break it free. So let's pull it out of there. Let's see. Oh, it wants to move, but it's not quite moving, see? Let's see if we can give it the old head start. Drive her down the top here and then just slowly move the impeller around and listen. We're back. A little noisy, so we'll probably have to get a new pump. This one here is probably under warranty. So let's get it back together. So it's supposed to be 0.4 amps. We're 0.7. This is a warranty one too. That's a serial number H00037H KM600 MAJ. So let me call Western Hoshizaki and get a water pump coming for this. How many of you guys are getting mask face? See that? Mask face. Hey, so anyways, that Hoshizaki water pump right there didn't even make it a year. It's on their newest style machine, and it only has one tube coming to the top of that machine. It's where the old style had the two tubes coming out of the top on those. So they're not very expensive. It's under warranty, so Hoshizaki's going to ship me out a freshie for that. But just give you guys a heads up, you'll get the 3-beat Monty. Your pump will be locked up, free it up. And you saw in the video, it's pulling double the amps. I actually watched it stall, and then it fired back up again, so it's toast. So that's a heads up on that one. And a little mask face. Yeah, little mask face. Pull and put, Mac, pull and put. That's what my old boss used to say. He'd give you a coil and a condensing unit and send you on your way and go, it's pull and put, Mac. You'd get out there and everything would be all backwards and Murphy to the max. It'd be all dayer. Yeah, I got you 5 hours here for a pull and put, Mac. Yeah, it never happened. Never was a pull and put. All right, like, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.